Experience the perfect blend of style, convenience, and customization with the Keurig K Elite single-serve brewer in a stunning brushed slate finish. This premium coffee maker is designed to elevate your brewing experience and add a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. With its sleek brushed finish and metal details, it's not just a coffee maker, it's a statement piece. The Keurig K Elite offers an array of programmable features that put you in control of your perfect cup of coffee. Brew a bolder and more robust cup with the strong brew button, ideal for those who crave a richer flavor profile. And for those hot summer days, the ice button allows you to brew hot coffee directly over ice, creating a refreshing and full-flavored iced coffee that will tantalize your taste buds. With 5 brew sizes available for 6, 8, 10, and 12 Oz. The K Elite caters to your preferred beverage size, whether it's a small and strong espresso shot or a large and comforting mug of hot cocoa. The versatility doesn't end there. Choose from a vast selection of K-Cup pods, offering hundreds of delicious varieties of coffee, tea, hot cocoa, and more. Or, if you prefer to brew your own ground coffee, the universal My K-Cup reusable coffee filter allows you to savor your favorite blends. The K Elite goes beyond just brewing coffee. It offers programmable features such as auto-on and temperature control, ensuring that your coffee is ready when you are, and at your preferred temperature. Additionally, the Hot Water on Demand button provides instant hot water for soups, oatmeal, or any other hot beverage you desire. Say goodbye to constant refills and hello to convenience with the large 75 Oz removable water reservoir. This generous capacity allows you to brew up to 8 cups of coffee before needing to refill, saving you time and simplifying your morning routine. The removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.2 inches tall, making it perfect for those on the go. Plus, it holds a full accidental brew, making cleanup a breeze. Maintenance is a breeze with the K Elite's Brewer Maintenance Reminder. It alerts you when it's time to descale your coffee maker, ensuring that your brews are always at their best. Descaling removes calcium deposits that can build up over time, ensuring a clean and flavorful cup every time. Enjoy peace and tranquility while brewing, thanks to Quiet Brew technology. This innovative feature minimizes noise during operation, allowing you to savor the aroma and flavor of your coffee without any distractions. In the box, you'll find a water filter handle and filter to guarantee that your beverages taste their absolute best. Keurig is committed to providing an exceptional brewing experience, and this water filter helps ensure the purity and quality of every cup. Elevate your coffee routine with the Keurig K Elite single-serve brewer. With its striking design, programmable features, versatile brew sizes, and the ability to choose from an extensive range of flavors, this coffee maker is a game-changer. Start each day with a cup of perfection, and let the K Elite redefine your coffee experience.